All right, a Gen 3 Toyota Prius head gasket repair with this Bart's Leaks head gasket, 34 bucks in AutoZone. Put all 24 ounces in the overflow tank, and we'll see how it does. Time will tell. So it can't hurt to try versus doing a head gasket job for, $3,800 of what Toyota wants. So we'll see how this does. All right, so I cleared the code for the check engine light, and we have 213,000 miles on it. You see the engine just kicked on. It did not make a huge rattle. So I put the engine stuff in at 12:15 or so today, and drove it for about 25 minutes and then let it cool. And so we'll see if the check engine light comes back on. But that's 40 bucks in AutoZone versus doing a head gasket repair on a Model 3 that's got 213,000 miles on it. Saying it's worth the 40 bucks.